Dragon Kung Fu, also known as Lung Ying, is a martial art that is steeped in tradition and history. This style of Kung Fu is inspired by the movements of the mythical dragon, focusing on fluid, dynamic, and powerful techniques. Its real-world application cannot be understated. In combat situations, practitioners of Dragon Kung Fu are able to effectively utilize the style's unique movements to disarm and incapacitate opponents. The fluidity of the techniques allows practitioners to seamlessly transition between offensive and defensive maneuvers, keeping their adversaries off balance and unable to predict their next move. The power behind the strikes in Dragon Kung Fu is also formidable, with practitioners being able to deliver devastating blows with precision and speed. Furthermore, Dragon Kung Fu emphasizes the importance of maintaining a strong mind-body connection, allowing practitioners to remain calm and focused in high-stress situations. This mental discipline allows them to think quickly on their feet and adapt to changing circumstances, giving them a significant advantage in combat. In conclusion, while Dragon Kung Fu may be visually striking and aesthetically pleasing to watch, its real application in combat situations is both effective and practical. One of the key techniques in Dragon Kung Fu is the use of circular movements to generate power and confuse opponents. Practitioners will often use sweeping kicks, spins, and spiraling movements to attack their opponents from multiple angles. These circular movements are designed to keep the enemy off balance and make it difficult for them to anticipate the next strike. Another important aspect of Dragon Kung Fu is the use of hand techniques, such as claw strikes and finger strikes, that mimic the sharp talons of a dragon. These strikes are meant to target vulnerable areas on the opponent's body, such as pressure points and joints, in order to quickly incapacitate them.